something incredible happened. A man was cured of HIV. In over 70 million HIV cases, that was a first, and so far a last. We don't yet understand exactly how he was cured. We can cure people of various diseases, such as malaria and hepatitis C, so why can't we cure HIV? Well, first, let's examine how HIV infects people and progresses into AIDS.
Probably heard of HIV. Know that it can severely affect your life and even kill you. But what can you do to reduce your risk of contracting HIV in the virus that causes it?
HIV spreads through exchanges of body fluids. Unprotected sex and contaminated needles are the leading cause of transmitting it for clinical.
Once inside the body, HIV infects cells that are part of the immune system. It particularly targets T cells.
To prevent HIV through sexual means entails always being conscious of the medical background of those you have sex with. If you are unsure about it, it is best not to risk it.
Using condoms helps prevent transmission, but there is no 100% assurance. Condoms can tear or may not work as intended. Also, make sure your partner does not acquire the virus through other means, such as drug use or blood transmission, to ensure that your relationship is HIV.
Living with HIV is the hard part. Is living with the secret.
Say yourself has spoken about it.
I think I might get HIV.
I just want to tell them that it's okay.
I'm just tired of living alive. I just want the people to know me for who I am.
Thought that if my friends and family found out that I was HIV positive, they wouldn't want to talk to me anymore.
I'm just tired of living alive. I just want the people to know me for who I am.
I'm still a person like everyone else.